Time to get them under the blazer. Cleaned them up at the shop. This one, the Dana 60, has the True Track 456 gears, and then the rear is the 14 bolt with a Detroit locker 456. Stainless steel exhaust manifolds from Hooker. They fit nice in the frame. Plenty of clearance. Got the front Dana 60 in. Pretty happy with it. Also got the PSC two-wheel drive steering box in. Getting ready to put the new TCM in the 6L90. Valve body is in, along with a new filter. I'm going to put the pan on, and then I'm going to take this back housing off. We are back on the 6L90, and we got our adapter. I have to run a 3/4 inch spacer because my output shaft is 5 inches long, and I'm going to have to cut this down, but we need enough spline to go into the 205. And I'm going to get ready to I'm going to take this off and then chop that down to instructions say 3 3/8. So I'll mark it, cut it, and we'll get this on. Pretty much want to be a wizard with the cutoff wheel. Cut it pretty straight. Hopefully it works. Got all new bolts from McMaster Car, and about to torque this down. Oh. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. House 3 seems in there. Nice. I'm running the stock torque converter. Should be fine. This torque converter and transmission I think only had 4,000 miles. I'm gonna clean these up a little bit and then put some grease on this. Just a little bit, that's all you need. All right, gotta get rid of these lines. The old Speedo cable. I'm gonna save these, I'll move them over. And that's what we're working with. Should be pretty easy to get it up there and get the bolts in. I'm kind of hoping this exhaust shield is not in the way. It kind of looks like it might be. I don't feel like taking it off, but we'll see. Ay, ay, ay. Fucking crap. Oh, we got some brake fluid. Oh. Okay, not too bad. I'm in line with that pin, and this one has to go tilt a little bit that way. All right, looks pretty good. Oh. Welded up the original holes, ground them down, and re-drilled them. Came out really good. That's the original Crossmember holding the new transmission. And I'm about a 1/16. I took a rough measurement in between the frame, and I'm about a 1/16 off. So I split 32nd or something. I think it's fine. And plenty of clearance for the drive shaft. So next I'll start working on the 205. I'm going to rebuild that and put the new input shaft in, the 29 spline, and then bolt her up.